I'm not making fun of soccer moms. I literally want to be a soccer mom, so it's okay. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of candy corn. Do I have a problem? Yes. Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a huge craft supply haul. I'm filming a bunch of DIY videos soon, so I bought a bunch of craft supplies recently. Not all in one day, trust me, but I have quite a few things to show you guys, so I'm just gonna hop right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. So first, I'm going to start off with Dollar Tree. This bag is pretty heavy. So first off, this is open obviously, but I bought 2 50 packs of leaves, I think, from Dollar Tree to make that wreath right there. I thought it was going to take way more leaves, so I have a bunch left, but that's great because when I film fall DIY videos next year, I can use these. Next, I bought these really pretty fake flowers. I don't really know what type of flowers these are, but they're yellow, super cute. And then you guys would have seen these in my Halloween pranks video, and if you guys haven't checked that out, definitely go check it out. I'll leave a link below. But these are fake bugs, and yeah, perfect for Halloween. I just have 2 packs of those. Then I bought 4 fake succulents, and these are super cute. They were only $1 each, like what the heck. But these are very, very cute. So I bought 2 of these ones, and then I bought 2 of these. Next, I got this box. I thought it'd be really cute to decorate, and it just looks like that. Just a cute little heart-shaped cardboard box. How do you put the lid back on? Okay, what's... Got it! Wait, no, I didn't get it. What the heck? Oh, there we go. And next, I got some paper plates. You will see these in a video as well. Next are these glass gems. I bought these mini terracotta clay pots, and I'm going to be placing the succulents inside for a DIY sneak peek. And what made this bag so heavy is this pile of rocks. I'm going to be making a terrarium, so that's all I'm gonna say. Next is this glass vase. I guess it's kind of a vase. And then I bought this glass bowl, and to fill this glass bowl, I bought a lot of candy corn. Okay, me too. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of candy corn. Do I have a problem? Yes. But in all seriousness, this is for a video. I needed candy corn to fill the glass bowl. I know this is probably way too much, but I wanted to be more safe than sorry, and I really like candy corn, but I'm not going to be eating all of this. That would be really bad. I know I got way too much, but it's okay. It's only $1 each. That would be like $20 at a regular store, not even kidding. So this is kind of like a fish bowl. I think it's cute. I also bought a pack of glitter. It just has blue and green tones. I think this is the last thing. Oh, I bought another glass bowl. I forgot about that. Next, we have Michael's. First, for Michael's, I got this giant 200 pack of jumbo wood craft sticks, and I like to use these when I mix slime. It was cheaper just to buy it in bulk. I also bought this little wooden ball. It's not going to make sense until you see the video. I also bought this little, I don't even know what this is called. Doesn't say on the back, but I think it's called a terracotta pot drip lid. I don't know. I thought someone wrote that on a blog on Pinterest. I sound like such a soccer mom. Taking my kids to soccer, going on Pinterest every day for inspiration. But no, that's literally me. I'm not making fun of soccer moms. I literally want to be a soccer mom, so it's okay. Everything is wrapped in paper so that it doesn't break. But the next thing to go along with that little lid thing, I don't know, is, oh no, maybe it's called like a tray. I don't even know what that's called, but I bought a terracotta pot as well. They only have mini ones at Dollar Tree. That's where I got this pack, but then I needed a regular size one for another DIY. Next, I got some silver glitter, a small bottle of Mod Podge, and this is the gloss kind. Then I got these 3 bottles of paint. I was gonna say glue. What? I'm tired. Okay. Purple, orange, and bright yellow. My floor is a mess because after I show you guys one thing, I just dump it on the floor. I think these are the last things from Michael's, but I bought all of this wrapping paper and you're probably like, what? This is actually for videos. I use all of these for backgrounds and videos, so you've probably seen some of them before. Their wrapping paper is only $1.50, so I mean it doesn't come with that much, but it's great for a background in a video, so I really like that. Then I bought a few bottles of clear glue on from Walmart. I bought a few bottles of clear glue. I just have this one full bottle right now because I've used the rest for slime videos. And then I got this glow-in-the-dark paint that you've already seen. I used this in my Halloween slime video. Next, I'll be showing you guys a few craft supplies I bought from Amazon. So this is actually for slime. I bought this big pack of foam beads, and you would have already seen me use these in a video. These are jumbo foam beads, and these were super cool. I really like using these in slime. And then the pack also came with these white foam beads, and you can actually get those at Dollar Tree. I was shook, so life hack. Then I got these mini multicolored foam beads, as well as some hot pink ones, as well as these blue ones. And I didn't even know if this came with it. I don't know if this is like an extra. These are a bunch of mini fruit slices. So those are super cool. I've never used those in slime before, so I'm definitely going to be using those. Also from Amazon, this is not a craft supply. I bought this Q&A a day book, and it says 365 questions, 5 years, 1,825 answers. What? It's a 5-year journal, and I love this. I know this has been around for years, but it was $16.99. I think that's a good price, honestly, because you're gonna use it for 5 years, and it's really cool to look back and reflect on your life. I've already started using it. I haven't done today's question though. Let's see what today's question is. I'm pre-filming this video, so today when I'm filming this, it is October 7th. Today's question is, are you happy with your choices today? Sure. I don't know. I haven't left the house today. I've just been like doing stuff around the house, doing homework, filming videos, so I'll have to think about that, and obviously I'll write more in the journal, but that's just an example of one of the questions. And next from, I put it in this plastic bag because it's kind of messy, but this is gold foil. I'm not going to take it out, but this is to press into slime, and it's super cool, or mix into slime. You guys have probably seen those Instagram slime videos. I got that from Amazon. And lastly, I think this is the last thing in this haul, I got these paper plates. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a Halloween treats video or not, but I bought these in case I am. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know in the comments. But these are super cool. They're shaped like jack-o'-lanterns. Oh my gosh. And I got these from Daiso, actually. So that is everything for this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Today's post notification shout out goes to this person. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on my post notifications.